Welcome back to the wood shop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Starting to get a little chilly here in the North Country. Today I wanted to just simply show you what I do in regards to remounting a twice turned bowl, which means this was turned green and is now going to go back on the lathe to be trued up and finished turned. As most of you know, and for those of you who don't, when you turn a bowl green, it's true, it's round, and this happens to have a tenon on it. This is a tenon, or a spigot. This is how it was held in the chuck. My hands aren't as strong as a chuck. But as the wood dries, it goes oval. It will be longer along the grain than it will be across the grain. So it's now oval. And you can see that clearly when you look at the spigot. It is longer this way and shorter this way. Now, the normal or proper way to remount this safely is to place this bowl over your jaw, bring up your tailstock, and cut this tenon, recut the tenon so that the length is reduced to the same width as the width, and you have a nice clean surface here. I don't do that. Why, you might ask? Very simple. I'm lazy. But no, in all honesty, the real reason I don't do that is because I personally have found, even with cushioning, getting this to sit properly has always been a pain. Plus, I hate extra steps. So what do? Very simple. I just put it back in the jaws. But, here's the but. I guess you could say I have OCD. I have this need for things to be the same all the time and precise. So, what I do when I'm mounting my bowl blanks originally, I line up the long grain with my chuck key. So, the chuck key goes in here, the long grain goes straight down. So that helps me with remounting a bowl blank. I only have two choices. It'll go this way, or I reverse it 180 and it'll go that way. Plus, when you use your jaws open, it leaves a little indentation where the chuck jaws bite into the wet wood. Those help in alignment as well. So here we go. I put the chuck key in, straight up and down. I put the bowl blank in. I begin closing until those notches kick in. See, there's no spinning. And then I lightly tighten it. And that's it. So what I'll do now is I'll turn the motor on. I will spin it one way and then I'll turn it the other way and see which is better. And that's it. That's all I ever do, because I'm very much interested that it's grabbing the tenon and that all four jaws are touching the back of the bowl. And then once you clamp it down, it's tight enough. Now, if you really want to true it up, that's fine. It's okay. I mean, have nothing against that. What I would do if I really need to true up that tenon, I will first flatten this face. And then I will reverse it on a set of cold jaws. And then I'll recut that tenon. But those are all added steps. And I'm a production turner. I don't have time for that. And I've never had one fail yet. So that's it. Done. Hope you found something helpful, useful, maybe entertaining. But it's time for me to turn this one down and get on to the next one. And I hope that I hope you're subscribed. If not, click the subscribe button and give it the old thumbs up. I look forward to seeing you back here in the workshop. It means a lot to me that you come and visit and watch the videos, and I look forward to your comments and your questions. Maybe one day as I crawl out of the technological void, we can do some live question and answers on like a Saturday or something like that. So, hey, listen, don't forget, head out to your workshop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.